Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Gerard, one, the only one, back with another video. Yes, sir, today. Today is going to the workshop, man, for the Rebellionare Jordan 1s. If you're right there, man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. In case y'all didn't watch my last video from yesterday. It's a little short little video, you know what I'm saying? Basically, I'm from Cincinnati, you know what I'm saying? You see the C over there, of course, you know what I'm saying? Can't stop Cincy. But head up to the workshop, so basically, it's gonna be basically like a little workshop. I'm gonna show you everything. They talking about the Rebellionare. Boy Payton talking about what is the Rebellionare, basically asking what's his definition of Rebellionare, because he have a Smith League and all that good stuff, man, for sure. And I think my boy Matt gonna be talking. He's the owner of corporate, so I think he's gonna be talking as well. And I don't know who else gonna be talking because it's 10 to 11:30. It's actually beginning around like 9:50. It's like 9:40 right now. So no, I won't say too far from the city, you know what I'm saying, but still. It's gonna be a dope experience. I'm gonna bring y'all on this journey, man. I'm gonna show y'all everything. It's like a little workshop. They got the X, the Jordan brand, all that good stuff, man. I got my little Jordan brand hoodie on. Got my Air Jordan 1 lows and the neutral gray joints on. You know what I'm saying? Something not too crazy, man. But these Rebellionaires, though, I definitely want them for sure. So I don't know. They've been doing a lot of surprise things at these workshops. So hopefully, you know, your boy might come up on a little something. Never know, might be a little some merch or something. You never know nowadays, you know what I'm saying? Jordan may be doing some slick stuff sometimes, so I don't know, man. But nah, it's just an opportunity that Jordan brand came down to Cincinnati and did this for sure, man. So I ain't thinking in a million years, I should say, this will ever happen in Cincinnati, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, Cincinnati, hey, we coming up for sure. Don't sleep, wake up, because hey, we coming any way possible. You see the Bengals came, you know what I'm saying, the Super Bowl. Y'all ain't expect that, did y'all? Interesting. I ain't no Bengal fan, but I'm just saying. Cincy coming up, baby. But nah, man, like I said, I'm heading to the workshop right now. Like I said, it's 10 to 11:30. I'm bringing y'all on this journey, show you everything. Talk to a couple people, you know what I'm saying. Try to get a little talks every now and then, you know what I'm saying, just to see. But like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it, baby. To your boy Gerard 1, back at the house, man. Definitely a dope experience, man. Definitely expired. I want to give big shout out to my boy Payton. Big shout out to Matt as well. Also, it was a speaker named Erica, by the way. Great story, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Definitely inspired me to continue my path, really, what I'm supposed to do, my purpose in life, you know what I'm saying, doing YouTube or reselling or cleaning shoes, or, you know what I'm saying, multiple lanes, but at the same time, just inspiring people just to follow your dreams, do what's, you know what I'm saying, best for you, but at the same time, don't take no for an answer, you know what I'm saying. So definitely inspired, definitely appreciate, you know what I'm saying, just them talking. Just like, I'm like a sponge, so I'm just listening, talking to inspiring. Like Matt started corporate, you know what I'm saying, when he was at the age of 22, now he's 36, it's 14 years. You know what I'm saying? Has ups and downs, of course. You know what I'm saying? Smith League, he took him 4 years to get, you know what I'm saying, certified from the NCAA. 4 years, and got denied 4 times. And then this year he got approved from the NCAA. Like, it's a lot of stuff that I didn't know about, that, you know what I'm saying, people from Cincinnati that do the shadow backboards. Like, a lot, like Eric Sandy, if y'all don't know that name, look up Eric Sandy. There's a lot of little names that they was saying. But from the Cincinnati area, they did a lot of stuff, a lot of shoes that y'all wear that I wear before. Like Jordan 1s, like they did with the shadow backboards. These are the core purples. There was a lot of shoes that, you know what I'm saying, that he did. And on the Rebellionare 1s, he did those as well. You know what I'm saying, the story behind that. But the crazy part is, they said they did this shoe around the pandemic. And another thing, the Rebellionare is just a made up name. And it's a creative name that something that means to him. He's from Cincinnati as well. I forgot his name that quick. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot his name. But he basically created this shoe and the name Rebellionare. You know what I'm saying? And he's from Cincinnati. He said Covington, but they kept saying, nah, he from Cincinnati for sure. If you from Covington, you right across that bridge, you for real from Cincinnati for sure, man. But at the end of the day, like I said, man, definitely inspiring. But I got something that it shocked me away. And like I said, I appreciate Matt, man, for sure, and Jordan Brand, of course, man. But I got something that I'm really excited about. And definitely, like I said, definitely a personal, definitely keeping the collection, man. Definitely much love for sure. Y'all ready for the surprise? Should I do it now or should I wait for the next video? I'll wait for the next video. I want y'all to tune in for the next video. Because I ain't going to do it right now. Nah, I'll wait for the next video. But hope y'all enjoy. You know, it's not, I wouldn't say behind the scenes. Just saying, showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, clips of everything. You know what I'm saying, like I said, corporate. Cincinnati area, you know, Rebellionare Jordan 1's coming out on the 18th, but they're releasing it here this weekend on the 12th. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I definitely got expired. You know what I'm saying? I wish I asked questions, but it was so busy, hectic, and all that good stuff. But I just enjoyed the moment, listening to them talking, and then just inspired me to keep going. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going, follow my dreams of doing YouTube. And like I said, my dream for real, man, to do. If y'all wanted to know, you know, y'all keep hearing me rambling. But my main dream, really, to be honest, is just do YouTube. It's inspire people, travel, meet people, talk to people. Like, that's like my dream I really want to do. Like, just talk to people younger than me, older than me, just inspiring them. Like, bruh, I was the same way in your shoes. Like, I didn't think I was going to be on YouTube doing this, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I'm not to the point that I'm like at 100K, 50K. Like, I know in my mind how I'm thinking. I know I'm gonna get to that point. So as long as your mindset is like you're gonna be this and that successful, you're gonna see yourself achieving this goal, achieving that goal, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think I was gonna get 1K subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think I was gonna get this and that. I didn't think I was gonna get to this point or stuff like that. You just gotta believe in yourself, man. You just gotta believe in yourself. Trust me, you just gotta believe in yourself, bro. But I got a big surprise for y'all, man. I can't wait to show you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. But make sure you got your post notification bell on because I got another video for y'all, man. I'm definitely excited. I can't wait to show you guys, man. So definitely look out for that video, man. Hope you're inspired. And then, like I said, shout out to Matt, Peyton, Erica as well, all Jordan Brand, everybody that was at the workshop. I appreciate y'all for sure, man. Can't stop Cincy. It's only the beginning from here, man. Let's keep this progress going for Cincinnati for sure, man. Much love from everybody. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch another video, man. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.